Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a wonder ingredient that has been praised for centuries, olive oil. You may already be familiar with this versatile oil in cooking, but did you know that drinking olive oil in the morning can have some amazing benefits? Stick around till the end to find out why olive oil is truly extraordinary. Number 1. Boosts heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are the healthy fats our body needs. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol. By incorporating olive oil into your morning routine, you can reduce the risk of heart disease, hypertension, and strokes. It's like giving your heart a daily dose of love. Now, you might wonder, how does olive oil achieve this? Well, the antioxidants present in olive oil, such as polyphenols, help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Oxidized LDL cholesterol is more likely to stick to artery walls and form plaque, which can lead to heart problems. So, by consuming olive oil, you're providing your body with a natural defense against these harmful effects. Number 2. Aids digestion. If you struggle with digestive issues like indigestion or constipation, olive oil might just be the solution you've been searching for. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help lubricate the digestive system, allowing for smoother bowel movements and reducing discomfort. It's like giving your digestive tract a gentle nudge to keep things flowing smoothly. Additionally, olive oil stimulates the production of bile in the liver, which aids in the breakdown of fats and enhances nutrient absorption. Another way olive oil aids digestion is by reducing inflammation in the digestive system. The polyphenols found in olive oil possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe any irritation or inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions such as gastritis or irritable bowel syndrome. So, incorporating a small amount of olive oil into your morning routine can help improve your overall digestive health. Number 3. Promotes healthy skin. Who doesn't want radiant, glowing skin? Well, here's another reason to start drinking olive oil in the morning. Olive oil is packed with vitamins A, E, and antioxidants that nourish and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Dry skin? No problem. Olive oil acts as a natural moisturizer, keeping your skin hydrated and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But that's not all. Olive oil has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. If you have skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or acne, the anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil can help to soothe irritation and reduce redness. By incorporating olive oil into your skincare routine, you may experience calmer, healthier-looking skin. To incorporate olive oil into your skincare routine, you can gently massage a small amount of olive oil onto your face, body, or even your lips. You can also mix it with other natural ingredients like honey or sugar to create a DIY exfoliating scrub or hydrating face mask. Now, you might be wondering, how much olive oil should I consume per day? Well, the ideal dosage varies depending on factors such as your age, weight, and overall health. However, a general guideline is to start with 1 tablespoon, about 15 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil in the morning. You can gradually increase the amount if your body tolerates it well. If it is your first time taking olive, it would be wise to seek advice from your doctor. If you find it appealing to consume olive oil directly with a tablespoon, why not consider adding it to your cup of coffee? This combination has been shown to merge the antioxidant properties of both ingredients, potentially assisting your body's innate defense against inflammation. However, it's important to note that adding olive oil to coffee may alter the taste and texture of your beverage. It can add a mild, fruity flavor and a silky texture. So, if you decide to give it a try, make sure you enjoy the taste combination. Remember, it's important to choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil for maximum benefits. We hope this video has inspired you to give olive oil a try in your morning routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.